What up, y'all? This is the calm before the storm right now. We're talking about Songkran Festival 2026. If you guys don't know, Songkran is a festival that basically celebrates the Thai New Year. And to put it simply, biggest water fight in the world. We're about to go crazy. We walking literally from my condo right now. So one of the main areas where this goes down, where the big party is happening, is right here, right next to my condo in Ceylon. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna go crazy. We gotta show y'all real quick too. We got that piece on us. We got that little sticky. We got that thing on us. Let's show them real quick. Don't fuck with it. Not one. Let's get this shit, boy. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. What you doing, boy? Hey, boy. Get that motherfucker. Get that motherfucker. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. That motherfucker sticky on it. Hey. 5 seconds in, that's what you get, boy. Oh, shit. We got that motherfucking peach on us, boy. Ain't playing with nobody. Oh, he got me. Oh, he got me. What's up, man?
What's up?
Yeah, let's go. We're at Miramar?
Yeah.
Let's go gang shit. America in the building. America, yeah. Whoa. Oh, shit. What he doing? Yeah, boy. Yeah, what up? Oh, my dick wet. Oh my gosh. She said, oh my god. Okay, so this is Ceylon Road. We're making our way down right now. And it's only gonna get, hey boy, don't you go. It's only gonna get crazier the more that we go. Yeah. It's only gonna get crazier the more we go. Oh! What up, boy? Oh shit. Like I said, it's only gonna get crazier. Hey, why you? Ninoy. What's going on? That water cold, shit. We've been attacked. All angles in this bitch. Oh, motherfucker. Oh. We got a cover. Oh, shit. We in it. Whoever won it can get it. What up, boy? Hey, man, what you doing? Hey, boy, what you doing, man? Hey. No. Oh, shit. Hey, keep shot, boy. Oh. Not far enough, boy. Try to get, oh, shit. Keep shot, let's go. Hey, that boy thought he tried it, huh? Shit, boy. Will it get crazier? Hey, boy. Ding. Okay. What's up, girl? This is crazy. What up, boy? Where are you from? India, America. Let's go. Yeah, boy. recruit him for the team, you know what I'm saying? Even the po-po can get it. Even the po-po can get it. What up, dog? What up, dog? Even the po-po get it. What up, boy? Headshot. Headshot. I like him. Oh, wow. Yeah. You on a POV with it. Songkran 2026. In this bid, boy. Yeah, what up, boy? What up? Don't fuck with it. Don't fuck with it. Got that thing on me, boy. Boy, I see you Raiders, boy. Hey, what up, boy? Hey man, Songkran, anybody can get it. Anybody can get it. Final boss. thought he was slick with it. Yeah, he thought he was slick with it. Yeah. Yeah, ain't nobody saving this. Oh, what? He thought he was slick, boy. Hey. Hey, man. Hey, that's what. Hey, what up, boy? Gonna go out, I'm not gonna lie, but Songkran 2026, man, different level. Different level. Here we got this one too. King ma. Cup ko na cup. 5 cup. 5 cup. น่ารัก Oh shit, whoa, they fucking got that shit, boy. That boy got the supers. That boy got the supers. That boy got the super, boy. That boy got the super. Come on. Oh, got him. Got him. Got him there, boy. Hey, what about this guy? Can he get it? Should we get him? I feel like we should get him. Oh shit. Did you get him? Did you get him? Just when I thought I was about to calm down a little bit, shit's getting even more wild. Oh wow, little Songkran tag right here. Free. Oh, you guys got the same ones as us? Hold on. Oh, the same guy. Yeah, you all got the same guy. Lazada? Lazada? Where you get? Where you buy from? Shopee. Oh yeah, Lazada. Same. Yeah. Hey, mama, yours.
Oh my god.
Who won it? Who won it? Who won it? Durian. Who won it? Who won it? Who won it? How about straight? Straight? No drama on my timeline. Only goals, yeah, it's hard time. They been loud, I done did it. Now they watching how I make it. There's more light in the heart. Hey, with the dream. Good run, green light. When I can't fall asleep, too loud, it'll bad inside. Same on the street. Hold the fuck on him. Hold the fuck on him 1 second. This motherfucker You got the whole pack, my boy. You got the whole pack, my boy. Look at this guy. This guy got the whole pack. What the hell, boy? That's how you do it. Oh, oh, oh. We lost our ammo. We lost our ammo. What the fuck? Where my shit go? Where my shit go? Where my shit go? Oh shit. What the hell? The hell? Recharge me up. Oh man, we got sold and we lost the ammo, man. We lost the mag on this bit. Okay. Damn. God damn. Should we get the motorbike? Gotta get that smoothie, boy. Yes, sir. Refuel, refuel, refuel. Cặp cô nó cặp. Who the fuck? Shit, boy. Not the kid, not the kid. Not like Jing. You hit the kid. I hit the little kid. Get your gun, man. Get your gun. Get your gun. Get your gun. He's not amused at all. They scared now. They don't want it now. They don't want the business now. No time. Whoa. No time. What did you say? What the fuck does that mean? No time. Hey. Who won it? Yeah, what did it say? All right. Yeah. What up, gang? Who won it? Who won it? Who won it? Who won some?